All right, we're out here. You wouldn't think it's January out here. It's blue skies and just a beautiful day. We're getting some work done. Let's check it out. Okay, so we recently got some more supplies. The weather's been really nice. It's cold out right now. It's in the low 30s, but it's tolerable. So we're out here doing some work. So we got the cattle panels. We got 3 of these, and we got 2 rolls, 100 foot each, of 6 foot tall wire fence, and then we got the 7 foot T-posts. So we're ending up we're going to do a little bit taller fence in the back for the blackberries. So this is what we're going to use for the blackberries, and we're going to have 3 spots in between the fence where we have cattle panel arches to grow vines up. So right now Scott Senior's out here hammering the posts in. He couldn't handle staying inside anymore. So he can get a really good visual now of what the fence is going to look like. Just measured it from what we've got, the string connected to the other T-post, 146 feet. So that'll be a really good blackberry run. That with the 6 foot tall wire fence will be looking real good. Let's take a look at it from the other side. Check out the views. Beautiful day. Alright, we're over here at the other end. Officially getting the 3rd post over here ready. And you can see these are pretty good size, pretty tall. This will be a nice fence for the blackberries. Alright, let's take a look in the greenhouse. Last video I had the blackberries I had planted. I'm not seeing any action in them yet. As of tonight, I'm gonna officially start having my greenhouse heated. So I also want to show how I'm gonna be doing that. So I've got my 3 trays of 150 each blackberries. Nothing in these yet going. I figured it'd take at least 2 weeks, maybe 3, because it's pretty cold at night. But right now, how I'm going to be heating it, I have my Mr. Heater 50,000 BTU heater. I've got that hooked up to the 5-gallon tank, and then on each side of this I have 55-gallon drums full of water. And that actually helps radiate a lot of the heat. Once I get that thing fired up, and on a warm day, it heats these tanks up pretty good, which radiates the heat at night to keep it warmer in here. So that's going to be the plan this winter on keeping it warm. And already we're 59 days till the first day of spring, so starting to get close, and it's starting to get closer for me to put things into gear, getting the blackberries going. And then I'm going to be doing some additional work to the greenhouse, which will be in another video. That'll be it for today. It's a beautiful day out in Nampa, Idaho. Blue skies, very cold, but beautiful. Thanks for watching.